30 kilometers north of the Iranian holy city of Qom rises a mountain that Iran spent 7 years quietly hollowing out in total secrecy. It told no one, not the United Nations, not the International Atomic Energy Agency, not even the countries it was actively negotiating with over its nuclear program. The world only learned the truth in September 2009, when Western intelligence agencies confronted Tehran with satellite imagery so clear that denial was impossible. By then, the facility was already carved deep into the rock. Its name was Fordow. For most of the 16 years between its discovery and its eventual destruction, Fordow was treated by military planners around the world as something close to untouchable, not because it wasn't a target, but because it was one nobody could reliably hit. Iran's explanation for building Fordow underground wasn't evasive. It was direct. When questioned by the IAEA in 2009, Iranian officials openly stated that the decision was driven by the threat of military strikes. This wasn't paranoia. It was pattern recognition. Iran had watched Israeli aircraft destroyer Oksasarek reactor in 1981. It had watched a suspected Syrian reactor vanish in 2007 under similar circumstances. The lesson repeated over decades of Middle Eastern air power was simple: anything visible from the sky is eventually destroyed from the sky. So Iran chose a mountain and went inside. Minus what it built, there was not a bunker in any casual sense. Engineers drilled through hundreds of meters of limestone to create primary enrichment halls, each capable of housing 8 full cascades of centrifuges. The facility was reinforced with blast doors, equipped with independent cooling systems, and powered by infrastructure designed to operate even in total isolation from the outside world. IAEA inspections later confirmed that these halls sat roughly 80 to 90 meters underground, the equivalent of a 25-story building buried beneath solid rock. In some sections, that rock measured compressive strengths exceeding 0 pounds per square inch, and depth was only part of the defense. Fordow was encircled by advanced S-300 surface to air missile systems. The same Russian made defenses used to shield some of Moscow's most sensitive installations. At its peak, the facility housed nearly 700 centrifuges, including advanced IR-6 machines enriching uranium to 60% purity, uncomfortably close to the 90% threshold